Do you like to read books? Please say yes. Well then, I may have figured out the best way you read books. Kindle. You all probably know the normal method of reading books. You either go to a library and borrow a book, or you just buy a book from a bookstore. You also know that, I hope, that it gets really annoying and heavy and just annoying to hold the book. Or when you're lying in bed, you're having a peaceful time reading book, but then the book just falls on you. Or just holding the book itself is annoying. So there's the Kindle. Wait, come. There's the Kindle, which solves these problems. It also means that you don't have to go outside to buy the books. You can directly buy them from the Kindle. Alright, let's make it simple. What is a Kindle? Amazon created an e-ink device where you can buy books from that device itself and read it there. That is a Kindle. It ain't even bad for your eyes, and it's easy to hold, and everything is in one place. So now that you know what a Kindle is and its benefits are, let's break down the models. The normal Kindle, Kindle Paperwhite, and Kindle Oasis. I'll leave links to all three down below in the description. The one I chose was Kindle Paperwhite. So what are the differences between these three models? Well, first of all, the resolution. The normal Kindle offers 167 ppi, the Kindle Paperwhite 300 ppi, and the Kindle Oasis as well 300 ppi. The reason I went for Kindle Paperwhite, one of the main reasons was dark mode. I'm pretty sure you all know dark mode and you love it. The normal Kindle does not offer that. But I also didn't want to go overkill with the Oasis. The decision depends on what you like. If you read a lot every day and have a pretty good budget, go for the Oasis. If you read every day but aren't willing to pay as much for the Oasis, go for the Paperwhite. And if you're on a tight budget, go for the simple Kindle. My advice would be not to overthink about which models you choose. The Kindle Paperwhite and Oasis models are waterproof as well. Alright, final thoughts, conclusion, whatever. If you are getting a Kindle, it's a great investment, as reading is a habit that should stay throughout our whole lives, and Kindle makes that easy. Share this to a friend who enjoys reading or who may want or need this. And as always, go through the links of my socials in the description. And yeah, I hope I didn't waste your time. Bye!